soybean oil. Then based on this result, you join them. You join. Let's check how we did it. We will avoid this for you. But anyway, select P name, PF name, P last name from producers. We create alias for producer. Okay. Here we take temporary copy where not exist. Not exist, it means the if here empty, we will not take here. Where not exist doesn't exist inside this. What does this mean? You will select where not exist, you will take all producers that produce the soybean, and then not exist. Also, this is nice because here where not exist, it means that not exists in this. How we can do it? Select one from production PR. You will select from production PR here, and you should join production with oil. So first select join oil with production on oil ONP, ONP, where the production ONP is equal to producer NB here, and O type equals soybean. So what he did here, he calculated, he found all the producer here in this query inside, all the producer that produced the oil type soybean, and then he took the one that doesn't belong to this set. Okay, so select P, because here we have already did the join on 3 tables, on the production, in producer, and on oil. So we have connected this with this with this, and then you select from producer where not exist on these. So in this it means that not with this type soybean. This is the first method. The second method, let's check. Select P name last name from producer where P and P, where the producer, this P and P not in, select PR, this is easier. This is easier, much easier this. This is more easier. Why? Here what he did here. First of all, in this inside, select pr.pnp from producer here. We are choosing the producer here that should be joined with oil. Select pr.pnp here. From production PR joined with oil here. On PR and P, this should be equal here. The ONP should be equal. Where O and B, O type here equal to soybean. So this query will provide us with all the oil types that have oil type soybean. So here you are joining the oil table with the production, but you join with every O and P that has O type what? O and B, O type soybean. So this query will provide the join between production and oil on O type equals soybean. Then you will take the B and P here that not in this join and you do selection on it. So not in, it means that the producer, you are taking the producers that has P and P not exist on this join, not exist on this join with what? With O and P, O type equal to soybean. Okay? Now, 10, exercise 10, display the producer number of each producer, display the producer number of each producer who produced during the 2010 more than the quantity produced by Edmond Ferris during 2010. This is very, I think, let's check once again. Display the producer number here, P and P. So select P and P of each producer who produced during 2010 production year more than quantity more than the quantity produced by Edmond Ferris. First name, last name. During the same year. How we can do it? So we are looking for P and P of producer. We are looking for quantity and we are looking for first producer number. Okay, and Edmond Ferris. So Edmond Ferris is in the producer. First name equal Edmond and last name equal Edmond. Here you should do selection. First part we should find Edmond Ferris. And we should calculate then. We should more than the quantity of produced by Edmond Ferris. We should join, this is obviously we should join oil production, producer production. Then select PR and P here. From production PR, from production PR, why? Because it should satisfy the quantity and also the joint condition here, PMP. So from production PR, where? We are working on production. So select PR dot PNP here from production PR, where production year here is equal to 2010. Here we are choosing all the productions that has only production year 2010. This is the first filter here where production is equal to. So here we have fixed the year here. This value here should be joined with others now. And what should we choose? So or this and this condition is consisting of two things, and PR dot quantity should be greater than what? Greater than we open a query. Then we should choose. Now we are choosing the production year 2010 and all quantity that's larger than Edmond Ferris for the same year, right? So, and PR dot quantity greater than we open parentheses to have a new query. Select. We should choose from the second production alias, production 2, PR2, dot the quantity. We should select this. Why we should select this? Because we should compare this select, which is PR2 quantity, with this quantity. So the output of this quantity should be quantity, PR2 quantity. From production PR2, we should be joined with PR2 should be joined with PR2 should be project with PR2 PR2 equal Edmond and P2 is equal Faris. This is correct. PR2, this is false here. We should add PR here. Here PR or here PR without two. Okay, not both of them too. Okay. And this is PR2, this is correct, PR2 correct, PR2, P2 correct. Sorry, I thought PR2. No, this is correct, P2 produce. So we join PR2 and P2. It's correct, PR2 and P2. Sorry, this is correct. And where P dot first name equal Edmond. And so here, as you doing join between production and the producer, and you find here this query inside, you are finding the rows here that has first name last name as Edmond. So you take the P and P of all first name last name Edmond and you join them with all these P and P that also has the quantity production year is 2010. So you are taking two conditions first. From producer, you take first name, last name equal Edmond Ferris. And from production, we have also the production year 2010, right? But you should join them with P and P of producer and P and P of